Satnam, hello, hi. My name is Jen Norton, and I am going to be your interviewer friend today and get all the look inside of the Soul and Shelter Showcase. We're gonna talk, chit-chat with all of our vendors, our host, and see what we've got going on so you can know what to expect on November 22nd between the times of, say it with me, noon and 6 p.m. Say it with me, where's it at? Kundalini Sanctuary. That's what I'm talking about. So tell me, who are you?
I'm Melanie Mataji.
I'm Ray Indigo.
I'm Teiki Giushivali.
How you doing, guys? My name's Louie.
Aloha, I am Christy.
I am Lisa Pakowski-Bell.
I am the owner, founder, creatrix of the Kundalini Sanctuary, which is a temple, a haven here in the heart of Las Vegas.
I am the founder, master chemist behind Formula Flawless Skincare.
I wrap crystals, make bracelets, and play music for yoga studio.
I'm the proud owner of Mushroom Head LV.
The owner and creator of Two Hands.
So what inspired you to create the Soul and Shelter Showcase?
Well, I've always been inspired to give back to the community, and that is primarily my mission in how I operate my business. I am an entrepreneur that way, and whenever I can, I create events around inviting other vendors, other people who are also in entrepreneurship and like-minded space of offering community endeavors to improve the community, local-owned businesses, small business endeavor, all of that. It's a proven fact that when we come together and do things in a group effort, the efforts are quite mighty and the results are very, very powerful and optimized.
How does this event foster healing in community?
The Soul and Shelter Showcase, it's an amazing event because it brings together a lot of artisans, people that like really care about their craft and are passionate. And that passion, it spreads into people who are looking for amazing products. So I find that it's just always a very sattvic, peaceful, lovely time with good music, delicious snacks, and a very eclectic, diverse mix of things for shopping. And we are in the holiday season, so it's going to be even more fun because you have an excuse to buy even more things.
What drew you to participate in the showcase?
Well, I love you guys. And that's the reason I come, is it comes with a lot of benefits. I love Melanie, and anything I can do with her and her community is always a pleasure. She has great intentions, which builds a great community that's very heartfelt. I enjoy everything that I do with her, so this is no exception.
How do you hope attendees will feel after experiencing our event?
I hope that they feel gratitude, just happy to be there and support and not being forced to be there or anything.
What's your favorite part about the Soul and Shelter Showcase?
What I love about the showcase is it's a gathering of other like-minded business owners like myself. We all have really wonderful intentions for the collective, and something that we're doing a little bit different this season is that we're going to be doing some fundraising for one of our own. So the gathering, of course, in November is a great opportunity for us to express some gratitude, and we hope you'll be able to come out and support our local charity.
What makes this gathering different from other spiritual or artisan events?
Oh, what makes this event so much different is I think a lot of it is the community. I think it's our hearts all coming together. A lot of us have spent time here in the sanctuary and we've had enlightened and awakened experiences, and it's just nice for us to gather and share in a creative way and allowing each one of us artists to kind of step forward and share our love and our passion with the collective. So I think that what makes us a little bit different.
What drew you to participate in our showcases?
Well, for one, I love you, and I love Melanie. I love the classes. The space is amazing, and just the fact that we get to come together with a lot of like-minded people and women that offer wonderful things for the public. It's great to have everyone in one space. It's a wonderful energy to be around, and I feel like we're really blessed to be in this situation. It's a feel-good situation.
Do you have a favorite part of the showcase?
Well, I love when it just first starts, just everyone's kind of excited, everyone's set up, you did all the hard work, you're ready to go, and the music's playing and the people walk in, and it's so nice to see people come in and get so excited about the merch and just being here and hearing the music and connecting too, because it's such a great place. It's not just, oh, let's go shop, people are connecting, having great conversations, you're seeing people you may not have seen in a while. There's so many great energies that come from all directions.
Satnam, my friends. I cannot wait to see you on November 22nd, 2025, anytime between noon and 6 p.m. Sign up, get yourself registered. It's totally free to come to, and all you have to do is come hang out and make some friends. I know it seems a little scary nowadays, but I promise you we're all pretty nice, except for that Jen girl. She's a little... Beyond all that, I can't wait to see you there. I really look forward to fostering community with you and your family or your friends. Invite everyone you know and will ever meet. Thank you. Blessings.